Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 337, AI Insights in Lists. In our last tip, we looked at how you can allow users to perform natural language searches on lists. In this tip, we'll look at another AI capability of lists, Insights. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. Enabling insights on lists is similar to enabling natural language searching. While editing your list in the Power Pages Design Studio, simply toggle on the AI Insights option. Now, when your list is shown on the page, the area above the list will contain the AI-generated insights. This can include both text and charts. Makers can customize the display of the AI Insights area in the Power Pages Design Studio. This includes configuring whether the insights are expanded by default, the title and instruction text, the chart types and layout, as well as the ability to customize the styles. AI Insights are an easy way to give Power Pages site users information that goes beyond the raw data that exists in Dataverse. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 337 on AI Insights in Lists useful.